Strict dietary restrictions, blood test results, levels out of control. It's also overwhelming and stressful. And to make matters worse, chronic stress damages your kidneys and can lead to a myriad of health problems. Wait. I don't want to put even more stress on you. As usual, I want to focus on the solution and not on the problem. This is how you help your kidneys recover. My name is Catherine and this is Double O Kidney. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. Many people try to manage or to control stress. Well, that's just another way to say you have to live with it. But what if you don't? In this video, we will take a look at 3 unusual yet powerful ways to improve your kidney health and to get rid of stress quick. The first thing you can do now, as in right now, to get rid of stress is laugh for at least 15 minutes a day. Seriously, I'm not joking. Okay, maybe I should be joking right now since I'm asking you to laugh more. However, laughter has some serious health benefits for your kidney health. It can reduce pain. Yes, laughter works as painkiller, but it also increases the activity of T cells, the cells that help our bodies fight viruses and tumors. Also, it helps stabilizing blood sugar. As incredible as it may seem, laughing lowers your levels of the stress hormone cortisol. And cortisol is known to increase insulin resistance. And it has also been proven that laughing helps reduce anxiety and stress effectively. But also, laughing has effects on the body similar to aerobic workout. Yes, a good belly laugh is like an aerobic exercise for your heart. Laughing actually increases blood circulation, delivers oxygen and nutrients efficiently, helps fight stress, and allows the muscles to relax. This will, in turn, decrease your blood pressure. Actually, the organs that benefit more from laughing even just 15 minutes a day are the lungs, the heart, and the kidneys. Did you know that people who laugh regularly have a lower standing blood pressure than those who don't? Like exercise, the blood pressure goes up during laughter but drops significantly after laughing. Okay, laughter by itself is not going to replace a good diet and regular exercise, but it can go a long way in improving your point of view and reducing stress. And that's not something to laugh about. No, seriously, let me know in comment section if you know how healthy laughter is. And also, what about your preferred ways of laughing more? Let's talk about it. Now, if you don't laugh for at least 15 minutes during the day, there are ways to help with this. Actively look for things that make you laugh. Every day, make a conscious effort to seek humor. For example, read the newspaper and look for goofy headlines. Also, take a quick break at work to watch a funny video. Record a TV show that makes you laugh and stockpile the funny stuff. Create a YouTube playlist that consistently makes you laugh. Or, if you're old school, a pile of DVDs. And dedicate an evening or two each week to enjoy them. It will be like a much needed mental mini vacation to help you unwind from the challenges of the day. You may even rest a bit easier at night since laughter relaxes the muscles, which should help you drift off. And adjust your environment. Bring some spirit to the office so you'll be in a sunnier mindset that's more receptive of humor. Keep toys or family photos at your desk. If you spend lots of time in your car, tuck feel-good items in your glove compartment. Go ahead and give it a try. Turn the corners of your mouth up into a smile and then give a laugh, even if it feels a little forced. Once you've had your chuckle, think of how you're feeling. Are your muscles a little less tense? Do you feel more relaxed or buoyant? That's the natural wonder of laughing at work. So, we have seen that stress is the worst enemy of your kidneys and laughing is your best friend. But there are other things you can do to get rid of the stress that's damaging your kidneys. Find healthy ways to unwind. Find activities, hobbies, and interests that will help you get rid of stress. For example, try meditation. It has several key benefits for your heart and kidneys, and it has no side effects. Meditation may effectively lower your blood pressure, and also it has been proven that it can effectively help anxiety and stress. And there is also another reason why I believe in meditation. It's because countless studies made by prominent scientists and published on respectable journals are proving that it works. Whenever I can, I find a quiet place and start to meditate. While this helps me in a lot of spheres of my everyday life, it's one of the best things you can do to get rid of stress. It's not hard to start and it's absolutely worth the effort. If you want to try meditation, find a quiet place and sit. Then you just have to breathe regularly and to focus on it. Just think about your breath and relax. Also consider taking a yoga class. Yoga is not just great for your muscles, bones, and heart. It's a powerful way to get rid of stress. But you can also consider, for example, spending some time with your pet or animals in general. People always underestimate the health benefits their relationship with their pet has. Pets won't just offer companionship, love, and support. Every time I came back home and find my cat waiting for me, I feel immediately better. I can personally tell you that getting a cat was one of the best decisions in my life. And according to a result of systematic review of studies, spending time with animals can also reduce anxiety and stress. Maybe that's why pet therapy as a field is growing so fast? Well, having a cat or a dog is not just gonna make you happier, it will make you healthier. And they're so cute! Another healthy and underappreciated way to feel less stress is aromatherapy. Smelling soothing plant oils can help to ease stress and anxiety. Aromatherapy is thought to work by stimulating smell receptors in the nose, which then send messages through the nervous system to the limbic system, the part of the brain that controls emotions. This is why some scents can be so helpful in fighting stress. Lavender, for example, may be especially helpful with stress and insomnia. A 2012 study tested the effects of aromatherapy with lavender on insomnia in 67 women aged 45 to 55. Results suggest that the aromatherapy may reduce the heart rate in the short term and help to ease sleep issues in the long term. Certain scents work better for some people than others, so consider experimenting with various options. As you explore the uses of essential oils, pay attention on how the different oils and methods of use affect you. Now, you may have noticed that in today's video, I'm not telling you how to manage stress. Why? I want to explain this in the words of one of my favorite motivational speakers, the Indian Yogi Sadhguru. He says, "Whenever I heard the term stress management, I could not understand because in my understanding, we manage things which are precious to us, our families, our businesses, our money, our property, whatever is precious to us, we will manage that. Why would somebody want to manage stress?" Okay, I couldn't have explained this better, even if I tried. Yes, You have to get rid of stress, not manage it. Focus on the good that there is in life instead. Now guys, there is a home remedy that's supposed to really help fighting the symptoms and damage done by everyday stress. This home remedy is a somewhat controversial topic, but I still want to talk about it because there are studies telling us that it may be especially helpful for people with kidney disease. Cannabidiol oil, or CBD oil, which is today readily available without a prescription in many alternative healthcare shops. According to preliminary research, this remedy has significant benefits in reducing anxiety and stress. CBD is thought to interact with CB1 and CB2 receptors in the brain and gut and to alter serotonin signals. The result? Early trials of CBD have revealed numerous promising properties, including but not limited to blood pressure stabilization, pain management, antidepressant and anxiolytic properties, anti-inflammatory properties, sleep aid properties. Now, all these properties make this remedy especially interesting for people with CKD. Actually, there is even the possibility that CBD can directly slow down the progression of kidney disease. According to some research, the endocannabinoid system helps the body maintain internal balance. Proper kidney function plays a big role in that internal balance. If CBD stimulates the production of natural cannabinoids that bind to CB1 and CB2 receptors, it could improve kidney function, slowing down chronic kidney disease or alleviating the symptoms of other kidney conditions. But a lot more research is needed before confirming any of these claims, so take this with a grain of salt. Also, because, as you probably already know, CBD products have been heavily stigmatized, and until recently, they weren't even legal to purchase and use. So, if you're interested in trying CBD oil, talk to your doctor. They can help you figure out a starting dosage that's right for you. And consider the legal aspect. In the US, purchasing CBD is federally legal, but some state laws have put restrictions on buyers. For example, Virginians can only buy and possess CBD if they have a prescription. Also, you won't find CBD remedies on Amazon.com in the US, so you would have to rely on some other healthcare shop. But you can find them here in Italy on Amazon.it, for example. CBD is legal in almost every European country, but there are some exceptions. In Asian countries, things are even more complicated. CBD is legal in India, but it is completely illegal in the Philippines. So, do your own researches, okay? Get informed about the laws of your country if you want to use this powerful remedy. Now, there is a type of herbal remedy that's legal everywhere, and that's especially potent when it comes to fighting stress and stress-related symptoms. These herbal remedies are called adaptogens and are known to gently restore the balance in the body, alleviate stress, and lower blood pressure. Great for people with kidney disease. But if you want to try an adaptogen herb, be careful, because some herbal remedies are dangerous if you have kidney problems. Some, on the other hand, are very, very helpful. So helpful that I recently made a video about them. You can watch it now if you want to know more. It's up here. And this is all for today. I hope the tips of today's video were of help. As usual, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.